In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new app in Base44. Whether you're developing a simple tool or building something more intricate, this intuitive system will make the process manageable and straightforward. Let's get started by opening Base44. You'll first need to navigate to the Base44 official website. Once there, you can log in using either your Google account or through the email login option. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which serves as your central hub. From the dashboard, look for the option to create something new. You'll either spot a button labeled New App or one that reads Create App. Go ahead and click on that, which will open up the AI App Builder workspace. This is where the real magic happens and where you'll start building your app. In the App Builder workspace, you'll notice a chat-style prompt box. Here's where you can engage directly with Base44 and describe the app you wish to create. Take a moment to think about the essential features your app needs. For instance, you could type a description like, create a CRM for freelancers that includes client management, invoices, task tracking, a dashboard, a login system, and a mobile responsive design. Once you've clearly outlined your requirements, press either the Enter key or the Send button to submit these details. Now comes the moment where you sit back and let Base44 do its work. The platform will automatically begin to generate the various components of your app. This includes creating pages, layouts, the database structure, forms, workflows, navigation, and even the authentication system. The time this takes can vary based on how complex the app is, but generally you can expect anywhere from 1 to 3 minutes. After a brief wait, Base44 will have generated your app, and you can proceed to preview it. This is your opportunity to see how the app looks and functions, providing a chance to ensure that everything aligns with your vision and requirements. If adjustments are necessary, you can go back into the builder and refine the app until it's perfect. And there you have it. With these steps, you've created a new app using Base44. This powerful tool has simplified the process, allowing you to focus more on your app's functionality and less on the technical hurdles. Thanks to its user-friendly design, Base44 enables both beginners and experienced developers to bring their app ideas to life with efficiency and ease. Don't forget to experiment with different features and possibilities to fully harness the potential of what you can create. Thank you for joining me today, and happy app building!